welcome back. Today is another DIY home decorations out of baskets. We're going to pop up those colors in our wall using basket decorations. Join me again today for another DIY home budget decoration. As you can see on Pinterest board, there's a lot of ideas how we can decorate our walls using baskets. I have my cardboard ready. So I remove the top bottom of the hat and cut them into strips. Now lay flat your hat to the cardboard and start to glue at the edges. I'm figuring out how I can put the strips. Now I glue the strips that I have weaved. Done with the glue, cut the excess edges. So it should look like this. I'm using a cardboard to the so now I'm laying all my pieces of fabrics to create a unique design. After layering, it's time to glue. I leave about 2 centimeters excess fabric out from the cardboard. Another detail I wanted to add is to put a strip of fabrics the same that I have already used. Third project, I already have this cardboard and I took a plastic plate and cut them into small pieces to put at the edges. Those pieces of plastic plate will be glued at the edge of the cardboard to form a curve. Now this will be the base. On top we will put our hat. I cut the top part of the hat and will be used for later. I glue my base on my hat. Glue inside to attach on the card. Last detail is to add the top part of the hat that we cut before. We are ready to go. Just glue the strings at the back and they are ready to hang. This is our first hat. As you can see, it's not bad. So what I'm gonna do here is just I slightly fold the edges, because putting on the wall just flat as that, it's so boring. So, and the next one, scrap fabric, is my favorite so far. It's turned out really, really pretty with these beautiful details. Look at that. And the last one is my large hat. Simple as that, nothing so special. So much for watching, and if you like more of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and comment me down below. Tell me, what do you think of this project, and if you have any suggestions for any other DIY projects, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.